Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I have another review for you. What am I talking about now? It's funny, but I can never pronounce this French sounding word. It's like Revuele, I don't know, it sounds so French and so let's just take it up as it is. So Revuele, whatever. So this product here, this is the second time I'm reviewing a product from this company. I've already reviewed a hydration lotion from this company and I fell in love with this, with this company, with their product. They have so many product, great product. So this time we're going to talk about the Go Glow Vitamin C, E and F Boosting Cream. So this is a visibly brightening and revitalizing cream. So it is called the Glowify, yeah, as you can see. So it comes in this very beautiful bright orange and blue box. It's a vitamin complex that provides a healthy radiance to the skin. Applies to clean dry skin, avoid the eye area, use it in the morning and or in the evening. So individuals with intolerance to any kind of ingredients is possible. Avoid contact with the eyes, of course, in case of contact rays. Okay, so yes, this is what they claim it does. Claims it glows your skin. So this is it. This is a 50 ml. This costs about 10 euros. Very affordable. And it smells so good. It smells like citrus. Like you can see, it's got some pearls in there. If you can see, okay, so it's got some pearls in there and it smells so good. It's very cute and obviously is for your face. So what do I think about this? If you're looking for a vitamin C cream, this is thick, on the thicker side. Look at this, upside down, but it's not even falling out. Super duper thick. If you're looking for some vitamin C glowy cream, give this a try. And the packaging is so cute. Now it has a very gentle, nice smell and it really helps my face. I had some breakout from some allergies because I ate peanut. I'm allergic to peanut and I got some breakouts on my face. This is what I use to remove the dark spots, the breakouts left on my face. Very gentle and it doesn't irritate your skin, it doesn't irritate your eyes. I've got very sensitive eyes and I can't stand any product that irritates my eyes, but this one here does not irritate your eyes. Feel the difference in your skin just after the first use. It feels very hydrated, very soft, and it gives it that natural glow. Now if you're looking for something drastic, dramatic, it's not going to change your skin color. It's just going to give you the natural glow. If you've got hyperpigmentation, especially on your face because of the exposure, this is a good cream. Now it doesn't come with sunscreen, so if you want to use this in the morning, you need sunscreen before you step out. You need to protect your skin before you step out. Apart from that, it is a great facial cream and I'm definitely gonna get it again. If you're looking to put more collagen, more elasticity into your skin, you should give this a try. A very affordable product from Revuele, whatever that name is. And yes, this is a 9 out of 10 and I'm definitely gonna get it again. So this was made, it's written it was made in the EU, but then it was imported to the UK by this Revox company. So it's under the company Revox, and I've talked about products from Revox before. So yes, this is it. A very great product. You definitely need to give this a try. If you're looking for something affordable for your face, you want that natural glow, you should try this facial cream with vitamin C, E and F. So yes, that is it. If you're looking to combat dullness, uneven skin tone or texture skin, you definitely need to give this a try. Okay guys, I hope I did help you. Have you ever used this product before? Are you thinking of using it? If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.